on, get in there. Screamer, deeper. Shoot her right there on the surface, right here. Right there. That's a nail. Right there. Next to an old twist top. Right there. Aluminum. I don't know, it's sketching me out, man. All the trees. I don't care about the conifer trees. It's the deciduous trees. The branches are falling down. See, the oak trees are dangerous, man. I don't know. I can't hear my tones. I have my detector all the way up. I can't hear my detector. I surely can't hear my pinpointer, so. Screw that. Let's go. I'm going over to school, man. Screw that. I am not. Dangerous, man. Way too dangerous being around the oak trees in this storm, in this windstorm. Not into it. Not into it. I'll go to school here. I'll go to school. Damn. Crazy wind. This is not, it's not supposed to be windy today. Crazy weather.